Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. All right, so here's the thing. I got a little bit of work I need to do in the house. I need to shift around the living room, and then I need to get some dishes and stuff done so that I can eat and get ready for my teaching tonight. So I thought I'd bring you guys along to get these couch. It's time to winterize, right? And when it's winter time, I kind of like to have the couches over here on this wall and this over here on that wall. And then I'm actually trying to be able to see the front door. I know that's weird. Most people do not understand, but I want to be able to see the front door when I'm sitting in here. So I'm just going to quickly do a shift around. It's just two pieces literally of furniture that need to move, which are going to be where the TV is sitting on and the couch. So those two things. We do have to roll the couches because of course the dogs are still shedding, and so we're going to roll the couches right now and get that done, but it's not going to take me long. Then I'm going to steam mop the floors. I got this stuff off TikTok shop, and that blue volcanic is like life. I'm just telling you, it is amazing smell, but I want my house to smell like that. So I'm going to sweep and vacuum, and then I'm going to take the steam mop and go over it real fast. But I thought you guys might want to come along, so hey, join me. Alrighty, you guys, so here I am. I'm just getting ready to de-fluff these couches. We have dogs, and our furniture has always been dog friendly, but we do like to keep them scraped down of any dog hair that would get on the couches in case anybody like us want to sit there. So we don't have dog fluff all over our clothing. And if we have guests, for sure, we don't want them to have dog hair all over their clothing. So we use this little tool that we got from Amazon. It looks like a little triangle, and as you can see, it clearly gets up all of the fluff, but it does not doesn't rake the couch or mess with the couch fibers. It's just a little triangle thing. If I can remember, I'll try to link it, but not sure. And I am, yes, for sure, just raking it on the floor. I'm going to vacuum in a little bit. You'll see me get out the vacuum before too long to make sure that I'm cleaning everything. So I'm just doing this one main couch, and what I'm doing is I'm just getting this side of the room together, and then we're going to move this couch. So we're just doing one side at a time, and that just worked out really well for me to be able to not have to totally tear apart the living room. I'm just doing like one piece at a time. I do eventually move both of the pillows, because I want to make sure that I get any dog hair that I see down the sides, down the back, underneath the pillows. And so we did all of that. And then I vacuumed out the couch, and Jackson's doing the other side. The dogs really jump on that couch because they want to look out the window if somebody goes by. And I am doing a thorough job of sweeping up because, of course, you know, dogs just shed. So Alana's helping me now. We're trying to move that piece of furniture out of the way so we can just shift over the rug and the couch. We're trying to make it easy. This may not seem like the easiest way to do it, but trust me, it was easy enough for us to get it moved without any problems. So this just helped us to be able to get stuff out of our way. And of course, Jackson is doing that couch. That couch took a long time because traditionally it has not been done in a minute. And so it just took longer. And of course, I am inspecting as he is working because he's not always uber motivated to do the job that I would do. And honestly, sister's the best couch cleaner ever because she is sister thorough. She don't be playing no games. So we decided to just move the chest over, and now we're just going to shift the rug back. That's Jackson's sock that Gwen steals and plays with. And so now I'm going to go ahead and vacuum off this rug. I think I vacuumed the rug twice just to make sure we had any dog hair off of that. Mama likes to walk on that to get across the floor. And so I am now, of course, vacuuming the floor as well as the rug because I want to make sure that I do a thorough job of getting all of the dog hair off. And Jackson, of course, is just doing his thing and going to the trash can to make sure that he gets rid of the hair that he's getting off because I'm already vacuuming and I'm not trying to vacuum his side. So get yourself together, sir. And then sister and I are easily just moving the couches. The pillows are on the other side. We we scraped them down with the scraper, and then we rolled them with the roller, the sticky roller. So we did a scrape and a roll. We just didn't show that, and here I am again because we moved that piece of furniture. Now I'm just getting any dog hair that I see that might have made its way behind the couch, because sometimes fluff stuff gets just, it flies across the floor. And so I like this shark vacuum because I'm able to, the light comes on and you're able to see hair that you were not able to see, or that did not get caught up in the broom, because we did some sweeping. But I do love to vacuum. It just helps get so much of that pet hair off. Should we have pet-friendly furniture? Maybe not, but that's what we have. And so now we're moving that piece. I got this from like a Salvation Army, oh my gosh, 20 years ago maybe. I don't even know. And it's an old like music cabinet that used to have like a record player inside, but it's empty. There are plenty of games and stuff inside that my kids don't play with anymore. I probably should empty that out and use that as another storage chest for like sheets and extra blankets. That might be a good use of that space, because we don't even use those games in there anymore. It's just my kids aren't game players. So that's going to be something on the list. Thank you, Shakima. You're welcome. So I'm going to do that. And then I was noticing that the manger scene was really dusty and had cobwebs. So I just took me a rag and decided to get up there and dust all of that off, since I was moving stuff anyway. Then I told the kids make sure that they would dust down the bookshelves. And so there I am, just wiping off the manger scene, right? Jesus lives there. The house of the Lord should be cleaned. And guess who is tasked with cleaning it? That would be me. And so back to the vacuuming again, because we have to have extra vacuumed floors, because we don't want any dog fluff, fur, hair, or anything. And Jackson is, of course, still doing his couch. Now I've done mine, and I've moved stuff, and we've cleaned, and we've done the things, and we vacuumed, and Jackson is still defluffing his couch. He did a great job, though. Excellent job, Jackson. But I'm, take it pretty seriously. If we have guests and visitors that come over, I just want to make sure that we do our due diligence. We are getting ready to host Friendsgiving again. And so I just want to make sure that we do our due diligence of having a clean home for people to come in. Yes, we do have dogs, but because you have dogs doesn't mean you have to live uncomfortably or with stuff just all around. And now that I have that done, I am wet mopping the floor, of course, with the steam mop. And I got this stuff off of TikTok Shop. It is called Mop and Soap, or Mop and Soap is what I believe it's called. If I can find a picture, I'll insert it. I'm not sure if I can. But this is amazing. It is pet friendly. The kind that I'm using, no, you're not supposed to put anything in your steam mop except water. I know. But I did put some of that blue volcanic mopping soap inside of my steam mop. It's fine. And I am cleaning the floors. It smells amazing. That's all I gotta say. I got it off TikTok Shop. They might have it in other places, but the blue volcanic is what I'm using, and it smells absolutely 100% amazing. And I think that steam is just helping it to permeate and push that smell out. And Alana was like, Mom, you unplugged it. I knew I had unplugged it, but there was just a little bit of steam left, and I only had a little bit of floor to go. So you see Jackson on the other side. He is rolling. So we scraped and rolled. And so here you're going to see me rolling as well, just to make sure we got any loose residual hair, because again, we want to make sure that it's clean and people can enjoy their time and not look over their shoulder going, why is there dog hair all over this house, right? Or why is it getting on my clothes? So we try to do our due diligence to make sure that we keep everything the way it should be. And then sister's just moving those chairs onto the other side. We just put them right in front of the bookshelves, and it's going to work fine. Nobody really messes with the bookshelves. They're purely decoration at this point. But this is how we were moving today. We only had one task to do, and that task was to get this living room switched around for the winter season, fall, winter. And so we got it all done. And you're going to see me just turn on some lights to make sure things look amazing. So there that is. We do appreciate you all so much for stopping by. Like the video, share, subscribe, do all of the things, and we'll surely see you guys in the next one. We appreciate you all so much. Make sure you're subscribed and also check for notifications. Bye now.